Thank you for the super rock. I'll be really happy to see you again. Yesterday's off collab was such a nice surprise. Couldn't stop grinning the entire stream. Avet truly is just the best. Now, could I ask you to say thank you? Why do you want me to say this? Is this sus? Usually when somebody asks me to say something, is sus. What's sus about this? You know, I'll just space the words out. Purple burglar alarm. What's that?
Purple burglar alarm. Purple burglar alarm. Purple burglar alarm. Burglar.
Oh, it's a tongue twister. Oh, it's a tongue twister. Okay. Purple burglar alarm. 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 Purple blah 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 blah. Purple blah blah blah. Purple burglar alarm. There we go. Purple burglar alarm. Purple burglar alarm. Purple burglar alarm. There we go. There, you're welcome. Done. I'm done. That's it. You're welcome. Your tongue twisted. It is twisted. I like when people pick things up and roll it down. It rolls like a real. What? It rolls like a real. Are you trying to make me say tongue? It rolls like a real. It rolls like a real. It rolls like a real. Wheel. Okay, there we go. No, I am not okay. We're moving on. Thank you for the Aqua Super Rock.